Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to update your personal details in Bright. Keeping your personal information up to date in Bright ensures smooth transactions and better account security. Here's how to make changes in just a few steps. First, open the Bright app and log into your account. And then, from the home screen, tap your profile icon or go to the Settings tab at the bottom. Select Personal Information. Here, you're going to see fields like name, phone number, address, and email. Tap on any fields that you want to update. Enter the new information, double check it for accuracy, then tap Save or Update. For sensitive changes like your email or phone number, you might be asked to verify with a code sent to your current contact details. Once verified, your changes will be saved instantly. If you ever need to update more official details like your legal name, Bright may ask for supporting documents. You can upload them securely right through the app. And that's it. Your personal details are now current and secure. If you found this helpful, then be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video for more Bright account management guides. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.